Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.
2. Perigyny. When the thalamus forms a cup-shaped or saucer-shaped structure with the ovary in the center of it and the stamens, petals and sepals arise from the rim of cup or saucer, thus are raised to a certain height so that they lie around the ovary, it is called perigyny. Peri means around or surrounding. Such flowers are said to be perigynous. The ovary of a perigynous flower is described as superior or semi-inferior or half-inferior. Example: rose, pea, bean, etc.